Alright, Johnny, this is just a little description on how to operate the back end of WordPress. It's pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is type in the timeshare name or the link name, wp-admin. Hit enter. It's going to bring up your username, password, which we'll have to get you. This is mine here. Okay, and I just click login. That's going to take you into the back side of the section which we created for you. The first thing you want to do is add new agent. The new agent is actually the owner of the property. So you want to click that, and it's going to take you to the agent screen, and you just populate all the cells as needed. I'm going to show you in a second. Alright, here for the new agent, you're just going to put the agent's name, the owner's name. Here you can put a brief description about the owner. It's not necessary. Don't worry about imaging. The title, you just put owner, and you put their email, phone number, mobile, fax. Don't worry about contact form or order, just leave those alone. When you filled out all of the necessary aspects here that you need to, you just hit publish. Okay, and once it's published, it'll save it into your database. You can click on the current agents I inputted, and these are here. These are the ones you give me. Now, once you've updated that, you want to add a new listing. So you just click add new listing. And once you add the listing, there'll be a section where you can add pictures and videos, and I'll show you exactly where those need to go and how you have to code those. But if you just want to see current property listings, you just click on this here where it says property listings. And these you really don't have to mess with. They're kind of set. But you can, even in the listing section, you can add what you want in here. My hosting's slow because they're working on it, so just bear with me here. And phone call after phone call. On the add listing, like typically here in this section, you put the name like Grand View or something like that. Here, you put whatever description you want. Whatever description you want. Then here, where it says YouTuber videos, this is where you're going to add imaging. So you click till you see the icon there, and then you go up to add an image, which is right here. Now I already have some in my library that are saved, or you can click here. That'll take you to your desktop, and I'll show you how to create an image. But like if I go to library, it's going to show these two here. This is the Grand View. What you do here is just copy it, highlight it, and copy, and you can just paste it here. Boom. The thumbnail, you can put whatever videos you want in there. Now the location, put the address, city, state. If it's in the States, it's all laid out for you here. Here you just put, in the secondary, just put like United States, as you see there. Google Maps location, that's just a complete address from the numerics to the zip code. And you want to put either your rent or for buy. Usually just keep this one at yes. Then you can choose your agent that's one we did before. So whichever one's going to apply, you just choose it. MLS number if they have an MLS listing. Open house dates, you probably don't have to worry about it. Residential, commercial, and you can even have a banner reduce. You can even put sold. You can even add different banners to it if you want. Just let me know. Property type, there's all different types: hotel, cabin, villa, so on and so forth. Price. Now, when you put the price, do not put the comma. So you want to do it like this. So the comma will corrupt it. So leave the comma out. It will add it on its own. Bedrooms, bathrooms, self-explanatory. Size, square foot, obviously. And everything here is in dates available. You can just put whatever date you want. Year built, school, show street view. Just leave these. And yeah, everything here is good. Then once you're done with inputting this data, here you want to put property type. It could be beach. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me go up here to the top. What features it might have. If it has a pool, maybe a water slide. Let's say there's none here that match it. Maybe they have different ones. You just click add new, put in the features you want, and click add new feature, and it automatically check it. The same goes for all these property type. Beach, hotel shouldn't be there. You don't have to worry about it, but you can add new. Price range, property location. Again, you can add new ones. And buyer rent. Then when you're done, just hit publish. Once it's published, it'll come out here, and people can search, narrow their search by any means. Here, it's it's endless how they can do it. So once you're done, the image kind of looks like this. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. Shows this. Shows the actual image. Shows features. Here's where the description goes, and you'll see how it works. Here's the Google. People like this, so we make sure we installed that. People can share all the listings through all the social networks, print it. And here's the contact information. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Pretty straightforward, very simple, easy to use. Yeah, I think everybody, I think you'll catch on quick. Now, when you're doing the imaging, all these images you want to put them at, I don't know if you have Photoshop or something. There's all kinds of programs out there, but you want to put it at 450 pixels by 250. Okay, and when you, all right, let's say you want to save them as a JPEG, then you click save. Let me cancel this. I already have one saved for that. Then you just hit save. Now see the resolution on here? You want to keep them all on fairly low resolution, because at 50 kilobytes, if you put it in a top resolution, look how much it goes up. That's going to slow down your site, and there's not much difference in the resolution. So you want to keep the resolution low. But as you can see, it still looks good. And we need to update your information here. I'll get that from you. But yeah, any other questions, you can just give me a call and I'll help you out.